Hello, my friends. Today we'll try to build our famous restaurant application using Cursor. How does it compare to Lovable in terms of usability, flexibility, and speed? Are you ready? I'm so excited to get started. Let's check it out. All right. So I'm in the Cursor application and I will create a project, new folder, restaurant, opened. Okay, here we have the chat window. Now we need the prompt. All right, I will go to ChatGPT. Here's the prompt I already ran. Write me a prompt for Cursor AI to build an elegant premium barbershop website called Gaithersburg Face Studio. I need to integrate Stripe using test mode for online payments, Recent for email confirmations, Gemini for chat, and Google Map for location. Okay, and this is what I got from ChatGPT. I will just copy this and let's go. And I got this timer so we can test. All right, my friends, looks like Cursor has completed the first phase. Let's check what it has built. I can review all the changes one by one, but there are just too many changes, so I will keep all. Okay. Now let's review what Cursor has written. Okay, there's a whole bunch of text. Okay, it says, I've successfully built the Gaithersburg Face Studio website. Here's what has been delivered. Complete premium barbershop website, booking payments page, email system, AI chat assistant, different pages, the homepage, service book, okay, different pages, the design is good, structure of the project. All right, npm install, set of the environment. npm, okay, let's do npm install. Okay, I'm getting these errors. Let's add this to chat. I'm getting these errors when I run npm install. Dependency conflict. Okay, it's fixing it. I fixed the dependency. Okay, now let's run npm install. Okay, it ran. Let's go to the next step. What is the next step for me to see the application? Let's check it. Localhost 3000. Can I view it? Is it ready? Failed to compile. Okay. Create .env local file and root directory with these required variables to start. What are the commands to create? Okay, give me the commands. I just want to run it so that it's created with these variables. I'll create the file for you right now. Okay, let's do this. Okay, it says it cannot do it because it's protected. All right. Okay. Okay, I think here is the file. The placeholder for the public key, Stripe secrets, key, web secrets. Okay. All right, it's running. Now let's go to our website. Will I see something? Nothing is showing in. If the data, okay, the NVIDIA files are there. Database is set up. Okay, setting up the database. All right. It says the website is running now. Let's check it. Boom. Refresh. Whoa, look at that, my friends. Precision fades. Okay. All right. Fantastic. Why is the map not displaying though? Okay, we'll set this all up later. Services, our team, the Gen Gallery, gift cards. Nice idea. Contact. All right. Now let's go fix some of the things. First, let's provide the API keys. All right. So Stripe publishable key, Stripe secret key. Okay, here is I'm in resend API key, and now also Gemini Studio API. I need to go to the studio, Google AI Studio, and get the API, get API key right here. All right, let's copy this. And Gemini. All right, here. I provided necessary keys. They should be populated here now. Okay, you see it's been updated. Okay, it's working. Let's first test the chat. Let's refresh the page. Okay, it's not. What's going on here? Failed to load resource. Okay, let's tell it. Site not loading. All right, it should be working now. Okay, we're working now. All right, let's test the features. Let's go with Gemini. What day is today? I am having trouble responding right now. What barbers do you have? What is this actually working? Again. Chat window keeps telling. Okay, the API. The wrong model is being used. I fixed the issue. The problem is that the model name is not available. I've changed it to Gemini Pro, which is a standard Gemini model. Good. All right, now let's test it. Refresh chat. What is the day today? Okay. What is the day today? Okay. How do I book? Right, it's the same issue. Okay. Still model issue. This is an issue that we didn't. This is an issue that we did not have on Lovable side. It was embedded already and was using Lovable's credits. I didn't have this issue there. Okay, now refresh the browser and try the chat again, right? Oh, okay, finally it's working. What day is today? All right. How do I make a booking? All right, so it works. What barbers do you have? Marcus Johnson, David Chen. All right. Okay, chat is working finally. Now let's reserve a fade. Let's check if this. Okay, it took a while to respond. Okay, now it's working fine. Beard trim. Continue. Marcus Johnson. It's everywhere. All the Lovable, Replit, they all have Marcus Johnson. They have David Chen. All right. Today, 10 a.m. Continue. Okay, proceed to payment. Pay. Okay, payment went through. Booking confirmed. Okay, let me check my inbox. Did I get an email? Okay, I did not get an email. Okay, I did not get an email confirmation when I completed a booking. Set up Stripe webhook for email confirmations. Okay. Brew install Stripe login. Okay, it didn't. I see red. I see a lot of red. One of the things I love about Cursor is that I can reference the terminal from the chat. Okay, let's install Stripe directly. Okay, it rendered already. Okay, Stripe CLI is now installed. Allow access. Access granted. Right, it's trying to set up the webhook. Webhook is what Stripe uses to tell our application that the payment went through. Webhook secret updated. Now let's start your dev to pick up the changes. All right, let's test it. Let's test it now. Let's go again. Book your chair. Okay, we'll tackle this later. Reserve your fade. Let's go for something nicer. Signature haircut. Boom. Marcos, as always, my favorite. Tomorrow, 10 a.m. Continue. My information. Proceed to payment. Pay. You can see I have one new email. It should be two. Once this complete, booking confirmed. Still one. Okay, it didn't work. All right. Booking confirmed, but no email received. Okay, let's test again. Home, reserve your fade, beard trim. I was really sure it'll work last time, okay? Okay, my information, proceed to payment. Yes. Let's look at the counter, still one. Will it become a two? All right, booking confirmed. Still a one, still a one. Booking confirmed. Domain verification. Is that verified for test domain to use since test domain? Okay, sure, use test domain. I fix the issue. The from email wasn't verified in recent. I've updated to. All right, that's fine. Keep all changes. All right, let's try again. Okay, it should work this time, okay? You think so? I think it'll work. The from address was not verified earlier. Now we're using recent verified from address. Okay, my information. Boom. It'll become a two. It's a two. Yes. Appointment confirmed. Very nice. Gaithersburg paid. Precision fades. Classic craftsmanship. Perfect. Arrive 5 minutes before your appointment. Perfect. Right. I got the email. I want to see the Gaithersburg fade on a Google map. It's not showing yet. This should be working. I need to see the business on the Google map. Fix it. I pasted the image of the non-working Google map, and I think it'll fix it. It must fix it. Fix it. Okay, Google Map is configured. Wow, look, fantastic. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Thank you. Services, our team, gallery. Why are there no images? Gift cards. Great. All right. Now, what I want to actually improve is the homepage. It looks ugly to me. Yeah, the main page, the hero page, looks ugly. Let's tell cursor, make the home page hero section much prettier, because Lovable makes it very, very pretty right off the bat. Yeah, this is the page that Lovable provided. Look at it. It has a background image. It has click to actions. It has this bouncing mouse. Very nice design, right? Okay, keep all. Let's check what we got. Whoa, this is much nicer. Much nicer. I don't like the top. The top part doesn't look good, but it is much nicer. I wish there was a background image, but this is good. Touch 15 plus years, clients, average rating. I don't like the header part. It doesn't look nice with the hero section. And I should also add an image. Add an image to the hero section. Make the header match the hero section. Okay. They seem disjointed. This part doesn't. It's too bright compared to the hero section. I think it should be dark, and when I scroll down, it becomes white. Okay, let's go check it out. Okay, this is it. This is what I was thinking, right? This is much better. I can see the 4.9 star, 500 plus reviews here. The image, the top part blends in with the hero section much better. Fantastic. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, you're quickly redeeming yourself. Cursor, well done. I like this. This makes it feel luxurious, premium. All right, so this is how the Cursor website looks, and this is how Gaithersburg website looks. I will put both in the comments so you can go in and review them for yourself. All right, I think we're done. Now it's time for a verdict. In terms of design, comparing Cursor versus Lovable. Lovable design is much nicer, okay? It gets the work done without you asking for a nice design. It just does it. It uses the images, the shades, everything is much better in Lovable, okay? So here put Lovable is better. In terms of usability, in terms of how easy it is to set up a website, Lovable had it much easier, okay? The API keys were, for Gemini especially, I didn't even have to write it. I didn't even have to provide an API key. It was using, Gemini is built into Lovable. And one thing I liked about the integrations though on Cursor is that it used the Cursor CLI to create the webhook and get the key from there. That was very nice. I would say Lovable is easier. In terms of price, Lovable gets quite expensive unexpectedly. Okay, I spent over $2,000 on Lovable services, and they keep your credits just keep going away. Right? But with Cursor, it seems much more affordable. Yeah, it's much more affordable, and so for price, I would say it's okay, my friends. This is my verdict on Cursor. Cursor is a very good tool, very powerful tool. Me going forward, I think I will use Cursor because very, very affordable.